Imagine this, you finally launch a beautiful website. You might even run paid ads to boost its traffic, but what if all those visitors land on your website, browse around, but do not take the desired action and don't convert into customers? Well, you're not alone in the struggle. The truth is, most websites miss out on thousands of prospects simply because they lack one simple thing: a powerful lead magnet. Today, we're going to dive into how to create a lead magnet that would get people genuinely interested in your business. We will also review some of the most high-converting lead magnet ideas to help you attract new potential clients and grow your business. Before we get into the strategies, let's cover some basics. A lead magnet is a piece of content on your website that provides value for free in exchange for your visitors' contact information. The goal of any lead magnet is simple: identify a pain point your potential customer is facing and solve it quickly and for free. It can be a sample of your product or service designed to build trust and showcase your expertise. Alright, you're ready to create your first lead magnet. What's the plan? Start by focusing on providing immediate value to a customer. You don't need to solve all of the problems at once, so skip the overwhelming step-by-step guides and lengthy ebooks. People often download those and never open them. Next, make sure your lead magnet is easy to create and deliver. You don't want to spend weeks perfecting something that might not even interest your audience, or even hire outside help and spend tons of money on its production. Be flexible and test different formats and messaging to see what works best. The best approach is to take something you have already created and use in your daily work and offer a sample of it to your audience for free. This way, you're creating value quickly without overcomplicating things. To build trust and establish a strong foundation for offering paid services later, give potential clients a taste of what it's like working with you.
For example, if you consult people on social media strategy, you can offer a free audit of one of their social media accounts.
Or maybe you want to encourage visitors to get started with your product or service.
Offer a personalized experience with a quiz. Create a detailed survey that guides them to the service that best fits their needs and include a discount promo code.
Or maybe you're looking for a tool to motivate people to visit your physical location. Lead magnets can bridge the gap between online engagement and in-person visits.
If you have a beauty salon or any other service-based business, you can prompt website visitors to sign up for a newsletter, where they can receive exclusive offers, discounts, or special deals for booking in-person appointments.
If you want to attract high-quality leads and position yourself as an expert, this might be what you're looking for. People value their time more than ever. Rather than sifting through endless search results, they prefer curated, expert-approved content that gives them exactly what they need, and fast.
If you run a travel company, offer a mini guide highlighting hidden gems and secret spots for destinations featured in your latest Instagram posts.
By offering a well-structured, high-value list of resources, you build trust, capture engaged leads, and move them closer to conversion. Speaking of saving time, here's how you attract leads without extra effort. Offer value by repurposing the content you have already created.
For example, if you run a language learning school and have a recorded lecture on pronunciation, transform it into a freebie to capture potential students.
Your lead magnet is ready. Now, how do you present it on your website to attract the right audience and turn visitors into leads? The most important thing here is strong messaging and a clear, actionable call to action. They can make or break whether someone decides to opt in and share their contact information in exchange for a lead magnet. You need to explain why a person would benefit from it, describe your audience's pain points, and show how you can solve the problem using a sample of your work.
Let's compare these two examples. The first one offers a generic description and a download button, while the second one features a problem-solving description and benefit-driven CTA.
See the difference? The key is to make it clear how your audience will benefit immediately. When your call to action promises a tangible result, it's much harder to ignore. Don't forget to request contact details and make sure the privacy policy is included. And that's a wrap on lead magnets. Now it's your turn. Start building your own lead magnet and watch those leads roll in. If you haven't used Tilda before, check out the description for an exclusive promo code to try out all of the premium features on Tilda for free for the whole month, instead of just a 2-week trial when you first sign up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tilda's channel for more content on web design and marketing. Bye!